my name is David Harper. We're the agent for C.F Nielsen here in the UK. Our company is called Viper Ltd, and we do all kinds of wood processing machinery, from shredders, screeners, briquette presses, kind of a whole range of things. That's one of the reasons why we got in touch with C.F Nielsen in the first place, is we were doing trials for a wood flour project which we had in the UK. The wood flour was mixed with like an animal fat. It was used to clean up biodiesel. So they would pull the biodiesel through the wood flour, and that would act like a filter and clean it up. And then we were taking the wood flour residues and we were briquetting that for a customer. And that's how we started with C.F Nielsen in the UK. And since then we've moved on to different projects between carpet and wood projects, domestic briquette projects, packaging lines, all these different kind of interesting subjects. We've also done foam, carpet, RDF, SRF, mattress waste, all these different kind of things. And as far as we see things in the UK going, is we need to produce more and more industrial briquettes for our power stations, because this is a real issue at the moment with the whole energy crisis. Red diesel being discarded for white diesel because of the new incentives. What we're trying to do in the UK is encourage more and more of these industrial briquettes. This is actually a briquette made from B and C grade wood fines, which typically for a power station is difficult to deal with because it's so dusty that it will flare off in the furnace, which will cause issues and explosions inside the furnace. Whereas if we briquette it into a puck, it can fit within a chip spec, just like the typical wood chip spec. It can fit within, it can be fed and bled in with all the rest of it, which means you don't have any waste on site, and you basically have everything that comes onto site is able to be burned. We also do the domestic logs like this. We've helped a few customers make these, which you'll see in your supermarkets and all over the place in all your retailers. But the main thing that we're wanting to push right now, and we see the future being, is more of the industrial side of briquettes, doing SRF briquettes, RDF briquettes, anything that's currently going to landfill and being wasted. We can use this product to create power. You know, the power in the UK is a shambles at the moment, and we really need to try and improve the situation and get energy costs down for everybody. You know, it improves everybody, and we're right at the forefront with a few different projects we're working on at the moment to try and make this happen. So stay tuned and see what comes in the near future. Thanks.